Let me show you how to mix amazing olive greens with acrylic paint. You just need a bit of yellow, preferably a warm one like this, and a tiny bit of black. And then you simply mix them together. And as you can see, even though I took just a tiny bit of black, it already gave us a pretty dark color. So we are trying it out with a bit more of yellow. I just used the bit of dark paint left on my brush and I mix in a bit of yellow. And as you can see, this is how easy you can make a light olive green. I really love this tone. And now let's make a nice middle tone out of this. I just take a bit of the dark paint with a bit of the yellow and look how lovely it looks. And isn't it amazing that you get greens when you mix yellow and black together? This world is just full of wonders. And to sum it up, let's just sort out our palette a bit and have a look at all these lovely olive green tones we've got. And I think with this color palette, we can even paint the black olives, not just the green ones. I am Anna Budin, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up so that I know and can make more of them. Bye bye!